I am thrilled to show you guys this family home with amazing views. I know you will love it as much as I do. This large, solid, custom-built home is a must-see. There is something for everyone with 6 large bedrooms, an above-ground legal suite, central vacuum, air conditioning, RV hookups, garage, workshop, and so much more. The moment you walk into the main floor of this updated house, you are greeted with 180-degree views that will take your breath away. Entertainer's dream with an updated luxury vinyl plank flooring, supersized living room with 3-sided natural gas fireplace, formal dining room, kitchen with eating area, powder room, and spacious balcony. A fantastic bonus is that the main floor also conveniently has a master bedroom with a full ensuite bathroom, which is perfect for guests or someone with a mobility issue. On the second story, you will find another oversized master bedroom with 2 closets with mirrored doors and a newly renovated ensuite with marble counter, vanity, and your own balcony. Large laundry room, bathroom, 2 additional bedrooms and a den, and another balcony to enjoy the fresh air and views. The walkout basement has a self-contained bright 2-bedroom legal suite with washer-dryer, new aerothermal heat pump, and a designated parking spot. Perfect for a mortgage helper or multi-generational family. The basement also offers a furnace room, cold storage, and a single-car garage. And there is more. A greenhouse, a shed, and a garden area, fully fenced backyard for the kiddos and furry friends, and a newly paved driveway. An extra large 42 by 31 2-bay workshop with 10-foot doors is a rare find. This shop has a new roof, plumbed for a bathroom, hot water tank hookups, commercial air compressor, a furnace, 200 amp service, and it's on its own electrical and natural gas meters. Amazing opportunity for either a hobbyist, car enthusiast, home-based business, or perhaps converted to a laneway house. As they say, location, location, location. This home is perched on desirable Crawford Hill with only minutes to all your amenities, hospital, restaurants, shopping, schools, and recreation center, just to mention a few. I'm Deanna Kleina with Stonehouse Realty. For more information on this home or the lifestyle you can have in Creston, please call me at 604-789-8202.